the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making shrimp fried rice. The ingredients that you're going to need today are 1-day-old rice. You're going to need soy sauce. I'm using the low sodium. Sesame oil, ground black pepper, onion powder, 2 large eggs. I'm going to be using a half an onion, salt to taste, also minced garlic, a pound of shrimp, peas and carrots, and also green onions to garnish. Okay guys, I have all my ingredients measured out. I will be giving you the measurements to the ingredients as we go along. As for now, you can get your 4 cups of day-old rice ready. I chopped up a half a small onion. And for your green onions, all you want to do is cut enough just for garnish at the end. I have 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I have a half a teaspoon of black pepper. I also have 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1.5 tablespoons of sesame oil. My 2 eggs are already beaten, and of course you have your pound of shrimp. What you want to do now is take your onion powder and just put it over your shrimp and mix that in together. Okay guys, once you have your shrimp mixed through with the onion powder, we're going to move over to the frying pan, and we're going to go ahead and put 1.5 tablespoons of sesame oil. Once the sesame oil has heated up, you want to go ahead and put your eggs in there to cook. Just go ahead and cook your eggs, scramble them. Next guys, you want to add your minced garlic. You also want to add your peas and carrots, and also your onion. Now you're going to saute this for 3 minutes. Okay guys, it's been 3 minutes. Now we want to go ahead and add our shrimp. You're going to add your shrimp. We're going to mix it. We're going to let this saute for about 3 to 4 minutes. At this time, you can go ahead and add your salt and pepper also. Okay guys, let's go ahead and mix. Remember, saute for 3 to 4 minutes until your shrimp is cooked all the way. Okay guys, it's been 4 minutes. Now we're going to go ahead and add our rice in. Once you added your rice, just go ahead and mix it up. Okay guys, once you mixed your rice in, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and also 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. And go ahead and mix. Okay guys, once you're done mixing, there you have it, your shrimp fried rice. I just wanted to let you know you can go ahead and taste it. If you needed any more soy sauce, any more salt and pepper, whatever you like, you can go ahead and add it a little at a time until you acquire the taste that you want. But as far as I'm concerned, this is delicious as it is. Okay guys, here's your shrimp fried rice. I put a little garnish on top, the green onion. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you as always for watching. And please come back next time. As for now, this is Nana, the saucy chef.